When we ruled, everything came to us. Bread, eagles, favor seekers. Such was our power. But we never put on white hats and called ourselves saints.
We were honest about what we were.
We sat still for a very long time. We didn't notice we were beginning to petrify.
Perhaps the Volturi did us a favor when they burned our castles.
We've been waiting 1,500 years to return that favor. I can't help thinking how these people have put themselves in danger because I found out we're human. You found your mate. You deserve to be happy. But at what cost? Everyone here has something to fight for. I certainly do.